Alrighty. Um, I think I waited a tiny bit too long. I went inside to get some batteries because my camera says it's gonna be dying soon. Um, and I took an edible right before this. I'm pretty high, so I was spacing out on the stars. Anyway, we're gonna take the little um, take the little. What am I trying to say? Well, anything pokey, I guess. And what I kind of want to do first is do what we did with the wax paper and the pattern piece. I'm going to tape it to the actual table so it doesn't move around that much. My voice cracks. Anyway, I'll line it up pretty good first. I'm going to try our hardest to tape it tight so it doesn't really move around, you know. Anyway, I don't know who's gonna be watching this, but how you doing? I hope you're doing good. How's life been? It's been crazy for me, man. Like the whole world has gone nuts. Beautiful. Alright, so, we're just going to take our stitch. I keep on forgetting what this is. I don't want to say it's an awl because there's like a little bead of something on the tip of it. So, anyway. And then we're just gonna trace. Not the border. And trace this. It doesn't have to be too deep. The leather's gonna take it pretty well. You know, it's not gonna be mad at you. And try our hardest to keep our lines straight, even though most of it's gonna be beveled in. And you have to be mindful if you're doing knot work like this too. Like what line goes underneath and everything. And just like that. That's another reason why I use wax paper too. Is because it's really sturdy. And you're not, since I'm using such a sharp tool, I guess, I would be cutting normal paper. Just slicing right through it. I think my thing moved a little bit. I almost messed up there. Okay, I will pause this, change the batteries, and then show you when it's done. Alright, I keep on stepping away from the camera, but I have not changed the batteries on the camera yet because I got too excited. Because look at that. It took super well. That looks dope. Anyway. Oh, what I'm making? I haven't even told you yet. It's a hair slide. For like hair. So you could stick a stick. you, would, you would stick a stick through this hole and out this hole under your hair, you know? A leather hair slide. Supposed to go like that. Anyway, I'm going to wet the leather again and wait for that to dry and then move on to the next step. I'm also going to change the batteries then too. But I'm going to move on to the next step, which is I'm taking my swivel knife and cutting all those deeper than what they are right now. Anyway, yeah, we'll move on to the next step, and I will see you in a bit. Sorry for all these like short, little clips, but I'm trying to get or keep the size of the file down because I really don't like editing and stuff. Anyway, just makes it easier for editing. Know what I'm saying? Probably gonna smoke some more too. See you in a bit. Alright, I still have not changed the batteries. I think it should be fine for a little bit. Anyway. So, all I'm doing is I'm gonna strap my blade first. It's just to keep it sharp. I want as sharp as possible blade to cut leather. Anyway, so can you see? You can. Hello. So all I'm gonna do is just take my swivel and draw it along my lines very carefully. Just like that. And all it really does is just deepen your already existing line. You can do that all the way around, as well as the dragon or serpents. What is a dragon without wings? Just a serpent, right? Oh, I guess it would be a lizard. Yeah, because of the Komodo dragon. And voila, got a deep line. So I'm going to do that all the way around. Anyway, I'm not going to have you watch that part. And see you after that's done.